in case you missed it, we are doing a giveaway for our followers as a way to show our appreciation for all of your love and support on our social media pages and here on YouTube. So before we start, before I tell you how to enter, please, this is very important. This is the video that you have to comment on when you are done with all of it saying, I entered. That way we can contact you and we have your YouTube name or whatever that we can announce who won. Okay, so please, this is the video, okay, that you have to enter on. Okay, so number one, you have to like this video and be subscribed to our channel. Number two, you have to share your favorite video from our channel on your social media page. And don't forget to tag us, ha, kay we need to see that you posted it on your social media. Number three, you have to like our Facebook page. It's under Morena Girls. We will choose 2 winners on February 1st. And unta, it was supposed to be 2 $5 Starbucks gift cards, 1 for each person. Pero when I looked it up on how to send a Starbucks gift card to the Philippines, it's not going to work. So if you are in the Philippines, we will figure out a way to send you $5. So we're talking with some of our friends right now and we will figure out a way to send you $5 through an app or something. And then if you're in America, we will for sure send you your $5 Starbucks gift cards. Make sure that you're entered and you're shared and everything. And don't forget, you have to comment on this video, okay? Let us know that you finished it all. Good luck! Boogie!